Yeah, we at work right now. Getting paid. So we gonna bring that. We gonna go old school on you. Once they put it together, do that thing. But meanwhile, how many of y'all having fun? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. There we go.
Can't touch me. Can't touch me. Can't touch me. My music hits me so hard, make me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with a rhyme to rhyme and do I think ruling. Hold on, this is what we're gonna do now. Down, up, down, and go to one way below, and I'm moving. Up, next to the beat up, you can't touch it. Can't touch it. Can't touch it. Break it down. Break it down.
Can't touch it.
Can't touch it.
Can't touch it. Can't touch it. Oh, can't touch it. Can't touch it.
Can't touch it. Break it down.
Break it down! Break it down! Go, 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 go!
Stop. Every time. It's easy. Never on the mic. Go on the stage. It's magic on the mic. Now what would I ever stop doing this? Others make it up. Just don't hit. I tour around the world. From London to the Bay. It's happening. Ever. And the rest can't say can't touch it.
Can't touch it! Can't touch it!
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
We're going to dinner after. And who do you think won second prize? Una. Dos. Those two. Third place. We couldn't decide. So guess what? Everybody I get a money. Uno. Oh, you have to split it because it was a tie. So you also won $50. I thought $100, but you only sorry, you only have $100 left. See? All right. But these guys were tied, and we just couldn't make up our minds. So 50 and 50. And our most entertaining.
Yes! Yes!
When she did that Xplosion stuff, I thought, holy crap, girl! I mean, why not?
Do it again.
I don't know. Did you see what she did that stuff? What was that?
Hey, have a time.
I got too much to drink nowadays. I can't handle that. Okay? Let's take the $100 and go out those days. All right. Guys, that was